be here tonight to share my journeys of my startup 2 years ago, and I hope that it will inspire any of you here who want to start your own business in digital age. And I also will cover the secrets of designs that will help to grow your business. So a little bit about myself. My name is V, and I studied communication design in Singapore. 3 years ago, after graduating, I worked for a few agencies in Singapore. But startup has always been my dreams, and I decided to quit my job at that time where I could earn more, about 40 million Vietnam dong. But I quit my job, I go back to Vietnam and co-founded my design agency. Studio BCA, or we have a new brand now, it's called Create, because our original name is called Bo Công An Trong Gió, which is very cheesy. Now, a lot of foreigners cannot pronounce it, it means dandelion in the wing. So we have an English brand right now, it's called Create. And after coming back to Vietnam, I have been very active in the startup scene in Saigon. So a lot of people ask the questions like, how much should I put in my startup? And I'll be very transparent with you. I have started my studio with one partner, and all we put in is one designer for 6 million dong. He's still here with me today. I'm very happy. One intern designer for 1.5 million dong. An iMac is a refurbished hand carry from the US, so it's 20 million. So totally it's about 30 million dong. But I spent endless nights doing my presentation, pitching design jobs, networking, talking to people. And one of my first few customers is still here tonight as well, so I'm very glad. And okay, so why did I choose to be a startup? To become your own boss? I believe a lot of women here also dream of having your own business. For me, I want to have my freedoms. And of course, the most important thing is that every day you learn new things in your life. I've never been learning accounting, doing contracts and meeting clients, quotations, none of that before, but I learned it along the way. And I hope that whoever want to start, take the courage, don't give up and go for it. And of course the main purpose of being a startup is to become rich. And I hope I'll be the next woman billionaire in Vietnam. Thank you. And of course, every startup have a downside. So the first downside, which is quite serious damage, is you be a member of FA Club. You know FA Club, what is that? Yeah, Forever Alone Club. Because you're too busy. You have to compensate between your boyfriend and your work and your client. So your boyfriend has to be very understanding. I'm sorry, there are some guys here. And you don't have a regular salary because sometimes your business is not doing well, and huge responsibilities. Every night, every night before the end of the month, you have to worry you have enough money to pay your staff. Like if you earn at least 60 million dong to pay all your staff, right? It's not that simple. And in 2011, I was at Mobile Monday, and I successfully pitched my business to an angel investor that really helped to transform my business. And this is the person that everyone is talking about. Do you know who he is? Mr. Sim Wang Jung, where are you? He's the co-founder of Egg Agency. We are part of Egg Agency umbrella company. And I believe if there's time, he will share about our business model. But the 3 words that I want to share is the persistency. It means that you never give up. If you fail to pitch to one investor, carry on, keep trying with another one. Maybe the style is not the same. You have to be professionalism, which means that you never allow any single mistake in your company. Even it's a small number or it's a little bit wrong alignment in the design, it's a big mistake. So all my designer here has gone through the pain with me. And opportunities, you have to see every networking event as opportunities, or you find opportunities in online everywhere you can and catch it. So everyone will ask, what is Grace Studio or BCA Bộ Công An Studio? Why choose us? Because we believe in our philosophy that will transform and grow our clients' company. We believe in a user-centered design, which means that the experience of the user using the website is very important to us. We believe in the balance between design and science, which means that every design we do should have a clear measurements of how successful your website is by your conversion rate, by the number of visitors. And also our passion-driven team, I'll introduce them later. Principles of conversion center design, sorry. Okay, the first one, encapsulation. Anyone you know about it? So the translation, the simple explanation is on a window on your landing page where your CTA call to action is the view. So if you're looking at the pictures right here, all you see, the first thing you see is the black shapes right here. And it brings your eyes to look at the people in that black shape, right? So it's like a James Bond style design. So convert it to web is simply explain that it's a containers. Let's say you have a form on the website, you should put it in a box so that it stands out from the content. Oh my God, sorry. Okay, next one, contrast and colors. As any one of you know already, the colors usually will convey the feeling. So you use color to create your customers' emotional response. And the one simple way is that you use one main colors for your website, and your CTA buttons or your CTA message usually will be a complementary colors or something that stand out from the rest of the content. And in the website, as you see, usually your CTA buttons will be very bright from the rest of the content. The third one is directional cues. If you see from these pictures, can you see there's a road leading to the top part? If you put it in the website design, do you know where your CTA button should be? It should be on the top, where the end of the road, because it's where you lead the eyes to that. And looking at my pictures, you see this cute pet is looking down to the grass. So like normal reaction, you were looking down to the grass. And look at this cute little baby. Do you know that the human face has a big impressions on our reaction? So if you look, you can't help but looking at this cute little baby. And let's take a look at the heat map. If you see the little baby, he has a lot of attention. But where the baby is looking at also get a lot of attention. So put your text, the heading, where the baby eyes is looking at. So this is one of the tricks where you should use the images with your headers. And in your website, it can be like an arrows pointing to the form, so that people naturally would read from top to bottom and go read to the form. And the last element, which is very important, is white space. Do you know what is white space? A lot of designers here? No? Only BCA Studio? Okay. So white space doesn't mean it's white color. It's just the emptiness surroundings area of the area of importance, which means that if you put an object in the room, the space surrounding the room is your white space. So if you look at my sample slide, there's nothing. Everything is in black. So your eyes is only focused on the letters. So give your eyes only one thing to look at a time. So this is one of the tricks to put to give your CTA stand out from the background. So surrounding your CTA shouldn't have too many things that's distracting. So it has come to the end of the secret. So I just want to summarize that no matter how, you need to do A/B testing to test your design. So you see which arrangement of the layout will bring you a better conversion. Also use the 4 principles that I introduced to test whether it's really bring your conversion rate. We don't have return policy. However, if you use the trick that I gave and it doesn't have your website conversion, you can come and talk to me. I'm sorry, I meant to put this the last slide, but I decided to change the order. So I just want to cover a little bit about my clients. We have a wide range of clients, from corporate to beauty, F&B, and travel. And the clients, even ANZ Bank, I just want them during like an event in Singapore. I talked to them 2 minutes, and they decided to introduce the local manager, introduced me with the Vietnam one, and I met them, and we do business. AstraZeneca is the first client that I won during pitching. So I did like free design for them. I showing the design, I come to meet them, and through a lot of rounds of changes, and we won them. And the iFood Lotus is part of Vina Capital. So we have a lot of like big international clients in Vietnam, also in Singapore, in the UK. In F&B line, we have the Loop, which is Mr. Egan, the owner here. He's still here to support. And we have working with travel company, luxury company in the UK, in Singapore. But none of this is as important as my team, which is here with me tonight on the left-hand side. And some of them he's the first designer who's been here for 3 years. And this is my team, serious working time. And if you have, if this is our new office from a small, like 40 square meter in an alley in Nguyễn Trãi, we have moved to the Manor 2. It's a 100 square meter, and this is our team. But they're working. It's working really hard. But if we play harder, we go out drinking, they're working hard, we have a good time in the office. So I'm always looking for talents to join my team. If you think that you like a startup environment, you like to work with young people, very passionate about what they do and very fun, you know, like clubbing, drinking, join my team and email your CV here. Designers, we're looking for designers, especially, you know, computer gigs, like developers, any of you here? And account executives, someone who's good at talking to clients and understand design. So I have come to the end of my slide, and thank you for listening so far. If you have any questions, you can ask after the presentations. But thank you for listening, everyone.